Hello everybody! I'm Michelle, and in today's video I'm going to show you the basics of juicing. Basically a juicing 101, where I share with you my top tips for how to get a crisp, delicious, healthy green juice. Let's get started!
The first thing to do is find some vegetables or fruits that can make up the bulk of the juice. And these are vegetables with high water content, and I love using cucumbers for that. Celery also works great. Then you're going to want to add some extra vegetables that are adding either flavor or extra nutrients. And great things are kale, lettuce, carrots, things like that. Finally, you're going to want to sweeten up your juice by using an apple or pear, pineapple, some kind of fruit with a lot of sweetness. And then I like squeezing in a little bit of lemon, and that helps cut the bitterness of things like kale and celery.
My second tip is to work by colors. So to create a nice green juice, you could use lemon, cucumber, lettuce, celery, kale. All of the green and yellow tones can go in that juice and it will turn out beautiful. And then you could also try creating a nice, beautiful red juice, and you could use beets, oranges, carrots, all of the red toned fruits and vegetables can go in that one. And so much of what we eat with our eyes, right? So when the juice looks beautiful, it's going to taste better to us. So those are my two biggest tips. I hope you found them helpful, and let's get started making this juice.
For demonstration's sake, I broke my own rule here and added an orange carrot into a green juice. And you'll see as I'm pouring it here, when the carrot part is added, it turns the juice a little bit murky. And if I had added more orange or red tones, it would have looked even murkier.
And voila, you've got a delicious, fresh, crisp green juice that's loaded and packed with nutrients that's going to keep you going strong throughout the day. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you'd like to see more information about juicing, or you're trying to decide what type of juicer to get, you can find all that information at vegan.com/juicing. I will include the link below. And as always, this has been Michelle Taylor-Kane, and you can find more of my bite-sized vegan videos at vegan.com/videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye! Mwah!